Is XRP's price ready and primed to make a huge move? Of course, we all think so, and we're going to talk about that in this video. We're also going to talk about what's been forming here in the past 5 to 6 years, and that takes us through even the tumultuous times where we've seen XRP Ripple, the company, face the SEC. We're going to talk about that as well and give you some interesting new perspective. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video on this one, and appreciate you guys so much for watching the XRP content. Let me know that you're down there by dropping a comment, dropping a like. Definitely helps us out and helps us out in the old algorithm here on YouTube as well. But XRP hodlers, people still holding through these crazy times, await poetic justice as a grand wave nears. What is this grand wave? Well, the XRP price chart slowly revealing a long-awaited W shape. And again, this is Dark Defender on Twitter saying a big W that took 6 years to get in shape. Sit back, zoom out, have a look. XRP staying above the fire zone, proceeding to our targets. A lot of sideways action right now. But Dark Defender saying $1.33 is the climax and key touching our Grand Wave 3 target. So that is a target number that he's watching for. Now, Ripple has been super steady and certain on their gradual growth plan. Even amid all of the craziness that's been happening, they are still nose to the grindstone, building globally. The lawsuit from the SEC has likely only delayed the inevitable. Soon, XRP will be free to thrive across the world. We know the technology works. We know that big players love Ripple and what it brings to the table. We know how much better it is than traditional systems we have out there in terms of global payment solutions, sending money globally. Now, the vision of Ripple and XRP has already reached the world. I mean, outside the United States, Ripple is growing and expanding like crazy. And if they have to, they will move outside completely the U.S. and innovate elsewhere. With their global partnerships, they're setting themselves up in the Middle East. They're setting themselves up in Europe. They're setting themselves up in Asia, everywhere. Okay. Now, the Ripple team, including the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, they've stood against their battle against the SEC, stood their ground. A lot of people would have bowed out, right? XRP holders know this. This is why they're still bullish. They're remaining bullish, and they await now the big verdict of the case, which we are closer to hearing than ever before. And we actually just got the Hinman emails. You guys know all this and how bullish that was for XRP. Now, the Reddit cryptocurrency thread having some fun as well, having a huge discussion on how ridiculous the SEC is in its labeling almost all cryptos a security rampage. We went over that, obviously, as all of that was playing out. The discussion marvels at the strength of XRP because even though people are trying to tear down XRP, it was ranked number 3 on the market cap list when it got to the lawsuit. Presently, XRP is on, still in the top 10, ranked number 6. And hardly even fell, really, right? Still a $20 billion market cap, even amid all of this craziness, even not even being able to buy it on all your popular exchanges. Volume has still remained really high. Now, we'll go over to CoinMarketCap, just kind of see where we're at right now. Things are pulling back a little bit, but I'll remind you, XRP still in a great accumulation zone. Even amid all of the craziness and market spikes, market downturns, a lot of the negative news out there, the one thing that I really like to watch for with XRP and pretty much all cryptos that I hold, what are the whales doing? And when we look at XRP, whales continue to accumulate, meaning they have gotten even more bullish as time has gone on here, especially as this lawsuit has dragged on as well. So I'm more bullish than ever in XRP. I always say this, I don't feel like I have enough of it, but I do have a good amount, and I think it's still an opportunity to accumulate here under 50 cents, in my personal opinion. So that's what I've got for you guys. Appreciate you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.